Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is still holding above the previous breakout point, which was located here at around $160, $161. The price broke out on Sunday to the upside of the local range in which the price has been moving since August. However, if we zoom out a little bit further, then we can see that Solana hasn't really done anything decisive over or anything significant over the recent weeks, months actually. There haven't been any significant movements that in any way would confirm that this correction that started in March is complete. So we're still in a sideways range overall, even though, let's say, the range within the range is broken. But we haven't broken out of the larger range, and we haven't seen really any significant five-wave patterns to the upside, even though, as you know, I've been holding the door open for higher prices. I still do it. And the main reason for that was because the initial rally from the August low to from the 5th of August low to the 9th of August high or 8th of August high, you can interpret this potentially impulsive, but it isn't. It can't be an impulse, okay? But it looked impulsive, which is why I've been looking for higher, or at least gave you a support area, which also did lead to a successful reaction, right? But the thing is, it can't be an impulse overall, because this rally here looks like a corrective three-wave move. So the only way to really see this as a bullish structure, in my view, is to consider here a diagonal pattern, which means this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2, and then A, B, C in wave 3. And we could next get a wave 4 and a wave 5, but this third wave should reach at least $208 or higher. That's the first ideal target for a third wave as per the yellow scenario. Overall, I mean, the next resistance is located here at $179. And plus, consider as well here the descending trend line with resistance around 184. So there are a couple of levels here to watch, especially 179 and 183, 184. Above that level, the focus can be on the $208 mark, the 138% extension. But please note that Solana hasn't broken out of the range. And, you know, when do we say that a top could have formed, a top of sorts? So first of all, due to the choppy price action that we've seen on a smaller time frame, really multiple wave counts are possible here. However, my view is that as soon as we break below the range boundary, so the previous breakout point, the lower support area will become relevant again. Or it's actually not the lower one, it's the support area that's been relevant since August. So it's between $119.85 and $134.25. Only below $119.85, a move down into the $70 to $80 region in the blue count becomes more likely. Yeah, and then in that case, then we have a larger degree wave 4, which could still, result in a rally in a fifth wave, and I'll show you that on the daily chart, which can send us to all-time highs. But to really, let's say, consider this as a primary count and scenario, I need to see a break below the upper support area first. So the idea is that a larger fourth wave could have bottomed, and we're moving higher like this. Or in a more bearish scenario, a larger wave 4, but then a good setup from round about the $70 range to new all-time highs. Yeah. But the blue count has shifted a little bit in recent weeks, which I haven't adjusted normally these micro counts are not on the long-term charts anyway. But yeah, this would be the view, that we are now in a B-wave corrective rally. That would be within the blue alternative scenario. But a break above this last high at $195, which is the July high, would kind of invalidate this blue count. But still, we need to hold support levels to climb higher, as I mentioned. And all the levels should really be clear. So short-term trend is up. But we need to be very mindful that this is still a price move in a larger range. So we haven't really broken out significantly yet. But we know how quickly things can happen in crypto, so definitely be on high alert. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.